Can you see other people's best friend list on Snapchat? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain you if you can or can't see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. Now, if you open Snapchat and log into your account, and once here, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see on the top left of your screen, and scroll down below and go to my friends. Here you can see your best friends and you can see all your friend list right here. But can you see other people's best friend list? Well, the answer is no. The Snapchat app is founded on privacy. So, due to privacy reasons, you can't see other users, or Snapchat doesn't allow you to see other users' friend list or best friend list. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.